Tribals of Marle Tirwal refuse to listen to Election Commission, say boycott more effective than pressing Nota button. Narrow road at Panzarkoni on National Highway claims more lives. Family of 4 people, including 6-month-old child, die on the spot in accident. Congress releases manifesto, assures to explore option of auctioning miles. Also special status for Goa. BJP says Congress manifesto is anti-nation. Election Commission taking special efforts to get voters with all kinds of disabilities to the polling booth. Works out special plan. Now the news in detail. Tribals of Marle Tirwal and Kankon have more faith in election boycott than pressing the Nota button on EVM. They have thus decided to go ahead with their resolve to boycott elections on 23rd April rather than listening to Election Commission's request.
After Goa 365 broke the news that 250 tribal voters living in forest of Marle Tirwal have decided to boycott election for want of a proper road, the Election Commission officials have rushed to the village in the Khotigao sanctuary. But people have decided not to listen their request to choose Nota button by voting rather than boycotting. Watch the argument.
आम्ही तेमकां सांगलें कितें आमकां तेमी सांगलें नोटा कर म्हण आमी तांकां सांगलें की नोटा आमी करना आमी इलेक्शनाचे बहिष्कार घालता कित्याक आमचे रस्त्यान तेमकां विचारलें आमी हो रस्तो येयलो तो चोयलो काय म्हण खरोखर त्रास जाता म्हण तेमी सांगून गेले आनी आतां आमी हेजेर आमी ही बंदी आसतलीच आमी वोट करपा ना.
तुमी नोटा सुद्दां कित्याक करचे ना अशें म्हणलें?
नोटा म्हणल्यार जेन्ना नोटा करता म्हणल्यार जाणटे वचोन एक वोट करूं शकता ताका ते नोटा म्हणल्यार खंयचें बटन कळपाना म्हणून आमी तेजेर बंदी हाडला. पण आमी कितें केलां आतां हो गांव सगल्यांक दिसूं आसूं म्हणून सरकारा पर्यंत पावूं म्हण आमी अशें केलां आतां.
कमिशनरान हांगा येवन स्पेशली नोटा करा म्हण सांगलें किंवा तुमकां रेडी जावपा खातीर आनी कितें कितें सांगलें तुमकां?
एक सॉंग्स म्हणून लायिल्लें पण तें आमी म्हणना.
As soon as the news broke, Kankona Congress MLA Isidro Fernandes as well as AAP South Goa candidate Elvis Gomes had visited the tribals with the request to vote. Now, Goa Suraksha Manch has also requested them from Panaji to vote while assuring them to support the agitation after election. Also, the people of Ansule in Sattari and Saljin in Sangem.
पत्रकारांनी धाडस करून तांचे तरुण हे विशय जे आसा ते चव्हाट्याचेर मांडले. ताणें अशें दिलां की बहिष्कार घालतले म्हणून आमी ह्यो केल्यो ना जाल्यार आतां निवडणुकी पर्यंत खंय करतले हे सगळे तांच्यो मागण्यो मान्य. गोवा सुरक्षा मंच जबाबदारी घेता की ही निवडणुका जाल्या नंतर लगेच हे गांव जे दुर्लक्षीत रावल्ले आसा त्या ठिकाणी गरज पडल्या आंदोलन निदर्शनां त्या सरकारच्या एजन्सी कडेन हे प्रश्न जे आसा हे उचलून धरप ह्या संदर्भात पूर्णपणे गोवा सुरक्षा मंच ह्या जनतेच्या फाटल्यान रावतलो. पण कृपा करून तांणी मतदानाचेर बहिष्कार घालचे न्ही कित्याक 5 वर्सांनी एकदा अधिकार मेळटा.
काणकोण तालुक्यातल्या माल्ली या भुताचे सुमार 250 मतदार आसात आणि या 250 मतदारांनी एक संघ जावन येता त्या लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनाक बहिष्कार घालपाचो ठरयलो आणि ही बोवाळ पुराय काणकोणच्या बरोबरच पुराय गोंयभर पसरली. देखूनच ह्या लोकांची समजूत काडपा खातीर काणकोणचे आमदार कलेक्टर आणि त्याच बरोबर इलेक्शन कमिशनर ह्या गांवांत पावले. पूण लोकांनी आपल्यो जो पर्यंत सुविधा ना तो पर्यंत वोटिंग करचे ना असो ठाम निर्णय दाखयलो.
A family of 4, including a 6-month-old child, died in a fatal accident at Panzarkoni on National Highway 17 on Saturday morning. One has been shifted to GMC Hospital in a critical condition. This is yet another tragedy occurred on this narrow stretch of road. Locals are furious because authorities have simply not bothered to widen this road in spite of many accidents. They are planning to block the road in protest after elections.
This small stretch of narrow road is before Kunkolim, soon after the petrol pump at Panzarkoni. At around 7 o'clock on Saturday, a truck coming from Karwar side overtook a vehicle and hit the Maruti Swift car going to Karwar head on. Both the vehicles were thrown off the road. This family from Karwar was living in Vasco. The husband was working abroad. As he landed at Dabolim, they were travelling to their hometown. The husband is being shifted to GMC Hospital and is in critical condition. 52-year Qasim Sayyed, 21-year Saddam Kaliga and 29-year Sabina Beg died on the spot. Their 6-month-old child Arya died while being shifted to hospital. Police have arrested 24-year-old truck driver from Dandeli, Manjunath Aliaga. Our reporter reached the spot almost after 1 hour to find no police posted on the spot. They disappeared after shifting the bodies. There was nobody to control the traffic congestion on this narrow road as everyone was stopping to watch the damaged vehicles. Traffic on this highway has increased multifold as Anmod Ghat is closed. Locals are furious as no authorities is taking any step to widen this accident-prone zone. Watch what they are saying.
सकाळी 7 वरांच्या सुमार हिंगा एक्सिडेंट जालो हो ट्रक वयल्यान वचपाचो आनी ती गाडी कारवार वचपाची ती गाडी कारवारची डॅम आसा थिंगाची ती जाता फॅमिली आसलोली ती तेणें म्हण ताका तो येता ताणा ती येता तेणें तिका गाडी ओवरटेक केली आनी ऑन द स्पॉट मेले ठीक जावन सद्या ऑन द स्पॉट मेले आनी सिरियस आहे हॉस्पिटलान म्हणजे सांगून येना तो मरत ते मिडिया सांगिल्लें 365 की हो रस्तो रूल करेल म्हण और फाटी मिडिया आनी हाडले आनी दाखयलें की कितें ताबेलें आसा तें इक जावन मेले आनी तीग जाण बंद जावन आज इक मेल जाय हेच्या मुखार कितें चल्लां जाल्यार आमी म्हणटाय कितें हे एलिसा लागून आमी गपचूप आहाय जरी तर एलिसा ना जाल्ले हांवें रस्त्यार रस बंद करताले हे आतां एक्सिडेंट जाता ते आतां हेजी कोण चवकशी करता जाल्यार आमी मागताय हे आज कंपोजिशन पडे आहा ते PWDन फारीक करचें अरे फुल सोल्युशनचो कितें जालें तें हां जाल्यार हे आतां मुखार कोण येता कोण येना जाल्यार आमी आपूण कितू पाट दाखयतलो दाखयलें कित्याक अनमोल बंद जालो आसा त्या खातीर ट्राफीक सगळें ह्यो दाखयता हो एक्सिडेंट जालो पुलीस येयले आनी मेल म्हणून गेले आयज ते पुलीस हाजीर आसपाक जाय हेचें कितें जालें आतां ट्राफीकचो कितें जाम जालें पुलीस ना कोण ना हेचो एलिसा लागून सगळो गोडगोड जाला
कारवारची गाडी वयताली हिंगच्यान आनी व्हडली गाडी जी पिकअप आहा ती कारवारच्यान येताली सो ह्या रस्त्यार पांजरगणी रस्त्यार आतां वाडत आसा हें एक्सिडंट जेन्ना अणमोड बंद जाला हे साम बिजी रोड जावन जाला PWDन जेन्ना अणमोडचो घाट बंद केलो पळय तेन्ना हिंग कितें तरी वाडोवपा जाय आशिल्लो रस्तो हो आतां पांजरगणीच्यान कुंकळे पसून रस्तो इतलो बारीक आहा हिंग आतां वाडोवपा सोय आहा तरी पूण हिंग हें करनाय PWD
कितले जाण मेले
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Padarkhani.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Here's an election roundup. Tuje Maut Konank.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant criticized the South Goa Congress candidate Francisco Sardina. He was addressing the public meeting in Kankona. Former MLA of Kankon, Ramesh Tavodkar and other leaders were present.
खरें म्हणजे रिटायरमेंट एज जाल्या रिटायर्ड जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो जेका तेंच्यांनी फाटलेच फावटी जेका रिजेक्ट केल्लो त्याच पक्षान ज्या मनशाक फाटले फावटी तिकेट दिवं नासलो त्याच मनशाक तेंच्यांनी परत एकदा हांगासर उबो केला जर नरेंद्र सावयकाराक जर तुमी पळयत कोण नरेंद्र म्हणटलो कोण दोतोर म्हणटलो कोण एडवोकेट म्हणटलो कोण सावयकार म्हणटलो कोण भाई म्हणटलो जेन्ना जेन्ना आपयता म्हाका दिसता तेन्ना तेन्ना तो काणकोणान आयला आसतलो
की आम्ही दोन्ही संघटनेचे कार्यकर्ते आम्ही अशा तरेचे जे काय कार्यकर्त्यांनी पूर्ण गोवाभरचे संघटन जे आसा ती सतीश जोंडाच्या नेतृत्वाखाला जर आम्ही केले जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जे आम्ही जे मनोहरभाई स्वप्न पळयतालो जे गोंय हे देशांतले राज्य एक आदर्श राज्य जावचें ते पूर्ती करपाक व्हडली कठीण जावचें ना की म्हाका दिल्लो वेळ की म्हाका दिल्ली जबाबदारी आसा या पक्षा खातीर गोंयचे खातीर किंवा सामान्य मनशा खातीर आसा न्ही पूर्णपणे समर्पण करतलो आणि त्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान ही निवडणूक आसा आमकां अत्यंत म्हत्वाची आसा देशाक सरकार जर आयले जायत देशांत की आमी पळयलें फाटल्या पांच वर्सांत 15,000 कोटी रुपयाची विकास कामां जर गोंयाक जावपाक शकता जाल्यार फाटल्या काँग्रेसच्या कालखंडात कित्याक जालेना तर ती
North Goa independent candidate has kicked off a campaign with a full force. She says that she is getting enormous response from the people.
लोकांच्या मदीं हांव गेलां तांच्या मदीं वयता तेंच्यांनी उत्साह दाखयल्लो आसा की एक महिला जी रावल्ली आसा हेणें आमकां खूब डॅरिंग दाखयल्लें आसा त्या कारणाक लागून म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी लोक चिंततलो कित्याक लोकांक हें नाका तें नाका म्हणटात खंय तरी अशे आवाज येता आयकपाक की नॉर्थाचो सावथाक कित्याक सावथाचो नॉर्थाक कित्याक अशें म्हणटा आमचो जर नॉर्थाचो थंय जर गेल्लो सावथाक जाल्यार आमकां ते घेतले आसले
म्हजेर जी एक केस आसा क्रिमिनल केस नंबर 112/S/2018 in E-Court in the court of the Judicial Magistrate Class at E-Court म्हापसा ह्या हितून चालू आसा अजून ताजी कांयच हे जावंक ना केसीचे कांयच हे जावंक ना बट त्या केसीन म्हजेर सेक्शनां 143 then 147 341 332 323 read with 149 IPC एक्टा प्रमाणे असं जालो.
Panchayat Minister Moin Godinno lashed out at Congress for fake criticism against the BJP.
जेन्ना निवडणुको येता इलेक्शनां जवळ येता तेन्ना जे विरोधक असतात ते थोडे खेपे आपलो प्रचार आहा तो खोटो प्रचार स्टार्ट करतात. वेगळ्यो वस्तू सांगपाक तेंचे सुरू करता आनी विच इज फार अवे फ्रॉम एक्चुअल फॅक्ट्स आनी लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाक लोकांक ची मनां कुसोवपाक आनी मागीर ते वोट जे BJP पडपाचे आहा ते आपल्या वदान करपाक ते ऑपोजिशनान आसा. ताकद तरी कोणा आसा आनी हे एक ताकद केंद्र सरकाराची तशी गोंयच्या सरकाराची बरोबर मेळोनूच हो प्रश्न मायनिंगाचो सुटावो करपाक.
AAP South Goa candidate Elvis Gomes said coal handling could be stopped long ago, but they don't want to stop it.
करपाची इच्छा जर असली जाल्यार केन्नाच करतले आसले. केंद्रान तेंचे सरकार, राज्यान तेंचे सरकार आनी आतां आनी केन्ना करपाचें उरलां. ताणें करूंक ना हें तरी एक्सेप्ट पयलीं करूंक जाय आसलें. फुडें करतले दॅट डजंट कॅरी मेक एनी सेन्स कित्याक आज तेंचे सरकार आसा दोनी कडेन. आतां हें आनी कोणें म्हटलें जाल्यार आमच्या सारक्यांनी म्हटल्यार एक ताका मिनींग आसतलो. तर आमी म्हणटा ताणें कांय हाजेर धोरण घेवंक ना. दे आर प्रो कोल हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा म्हणून लोक एजिटेशन करता. आज कितलीं वर्सां जालीं. आमचे सारके जर मनीस येयले उपरांत हे 100% जी लोकांक गॅरंटी दिल्या ती आमी करून दाखयता.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Bharatiya Janata Party has criticized Congress manifesto claiming it's an attempt to weaken the nation. Congress on the other hand is assured to explore auction of mines as an option while also relooking at the demand of special status for Goa.
BJP's National Vice President Avinash Rai Khanna said 2014 elections were fought in Narendra Modi's name while 2019 elections are being fought based on achievements of Modi and his leadership.
ये जो जनरल इलेक्शन है 2019 का 14 और 19 के इलेक्शन में एक डिफरेंस है. 14 का इलेक्शन हमने मोदी जी के नाम पे लड़ा था. ये इलेक्शन हम मोदी जी के नाम और उनके काम पे लड़ रहे हैं. अगर आप कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो की दो बातें देखेंगे, एक बात जो कि IPC का सेक्शन है जिसमें देशद्रोह राजद्रोह करने वाले लोगों के ऊपर मुकदमे दर्ज होते हैं और एक चेक रहता है कि अगर किसी ने देशद्रोह राजद्रोह की बात की तो उनके ऊपर पीनल एक्शन होगा. उसको डिल्यूट करने की बात जो है कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में कही गई है. इन बॉर्डर स्टेट्स पे जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस हैं पूरे अपने मन से काम कर रही हैं, पूरे हौसले से काम कर रही हैं, तो उनको असफा की प्रोटेक्शन है. उसको डिल्यूट करने की भी जो बात कही है तो कहीं ना कहीं इसमें स्मेल आता है कि राष्ट्र को कमज़ोर करने के लिए जो ये मैनिफेस्टो है ये कांग्रेस ने पेश किया है. दो सरकारों का मैं एक लाइन में अगर डिफरेंस आपको बताना चाहूँ तो ये है, आप जब मीडिया के लोग हमें टीवी ऑन करते थे, अखबार पढ़ते थे तो डेली कोई ना कोई स्कैम हमें देखने को मिलता था. एनडीए गवर्नमेंट में जब से नरेंद्र भाई मोदी ने देश की बागडोर संभाली है तब से हम टीवी देखते हैं, अखबार खोलते हैं तो डेली कोई नई स्कीम मिलती है. तो ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है स्कैम और स्कीम में. जिस ढंग से पोलिंग का ट्रेंड है, जनता में एक मन में कमिटमेंट है कि हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को लाएंगे और नरेंद्र भाई मोदी को इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री वो देखना चाहते हैं.
When asked to comment on resumption of mining activity in the state, Avinash said the central and state governments will try to restart mining activity through legal means.
मैं आपके द्वारा जनता को और उन लोगों को जो इसमें लगे हुए हैं विश्वास दिलाता हूँ, जो मैक्सिमम विद इन लॉ उनके हक में होगा, राज्य और केंद्र सरकार उस पर पूरा करेगी.
Congress Rajya Sabha member Rajiv Gowda said if Congress comes to power at the centre, it will examine the demand for special status to Goa.
We have to make sure that land is protected, that the people of the state get to ensure that the land remains with them. So let's take this up. We'll discuss this and examine this issue. We are not ruling out any such status in the course of time.
Rajiv also said the Congress will examine whether auctioning is the suitable method to restart mining activity in the state.
Now, the Supreme Court, if you go back to the issue of coal allocation during the UPA years, came in and said you should auction, right? So, this is something that has come in from the Supreme Court. Now, is that a successful method? You know, is that the appropriate method, for example, for other kinds of resources like spectrum? Is it going to result in viable enterprises? All these questions need to be answered.
Rajiv said the BJP has lost all sense of balance as it is fielding terror-accused candidates such as Sadhvi Pragya Thakur.
The BJP has no other candidates. They have to go after a terror accused. This is Pragya Thakur was first arrested by the Shivraj Singh Chauhan BJP government on charges of murdering an RSS worker called Sunil Joshi. So here is a person charged with these, with crimes of this nature, has not been acquitted or exonerated, and the Prime Minister goes out and defends the choice of such a character.
Our video journalists Irshad Sheikh and Viraj Kamath in Panji.
Former MGP MLA Lavu Mamledar on Saturday said that he would file a complaint alleging that retaining walls in Ponda and Madkai constituency are missing. Here are the details.
Lavu alleged that retaining walls in those areas are only on paper. There are no retaining walls even though they have been supposedly constructed. Sudin has been the PWD minister across governments, both Congress and BJP led. Lavu has been expelled from the MGP and is in the middle of a bruising fight with Dhawlikar brothers.
नागझर फोंड्या मतदारसंघात नागझर म्हणून एक गांव आसा वाडो आसा थंय 70 लाखांची रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदल्या बिलां पास जाल्या सगळें पास जाल्या पूण थंय वचत जाल्यार रिटेनिंग वॉल ना अश्योच मडकय मतदारसंघात कितल्योश्योच रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदल्या म्हणून आसा पण एक्झिस्टन्स थंय ना एक कंबायन सगळ्यो रिटेनिंग वॉल चोरयेक गेल्यो अशी म्हणून कंप्लेन दिवपाची कारण ते म्हणटाले कितें रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदली मोडली कितें म्हणटाले बेस्ट पैकी चोरयेक गेल्यो चडशे PWD आनी RTO ही दोनूच खातीं जाय पडटा ही मेळ्ळी की ते सगळो प्रेम भाजपा बरोबर द मोमेंट PWD आनी ट्रान्सपोर्ट काडले त्या बरोबर ते सगळे काँग्रेसच्या प्रेमान पडले फक्त कितें तें परत हासील करपाक शिरोडेच्या लोकांक खूब फटोवपाचें चल्लां शिरोड्या सपोर्ट काँग्रेसीक ना काँग्रेसी कडल्यान आपूण घेता असो दिसता सपोर्ट अजून कांय कळना पूण वेरेज लोकसभा नॉर्थ आनी सावथ काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट करता म्हापसा काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट करता मांद्र्या इंडिपेंडंट मनशाक सपोर्ट करता हेजो अर्थ कितें एक तर काँग्रेस स्वता महादेव नायकाक शिरोड्या आनी बाबी बक्कराक मांद्रें सोंपयता तेंचे जर इंटरनल सेटिंग जावन ते अशें वागले जाल्यार
Lavu alleged that Dhawlikar brothers are threatening people in Shiroda for votes. He also criticized Congress, saying that Congress will finish itself in Mandrem and Shiroda by supporting MGP. He alleged that after Sudin was dropped as PWD and Transport Minister by the BJP, the MGP is falling all over the Congress for power.
की हांव जेन्ना शिरोडा भोंवलो तेन्ना थंयचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट वर्कर आसा किंवा कोणाच्यो गाडयो PWDन लागल्या अशा लोकांक धमकावपाचो प्रयत्न सुरू जाल्लो आसा तुमकां तुमच्यो गाडयो काडटले तुमकां कामा वयल्यान काडटले अशें म्हणून धमकावपाचो जो प्रयत्न सुरू जाला धमकावण्यो चालू आसा हांव शिरोडच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक अपील करता की असल्या धमकेक तुमी बळी पडू नाका.
Our video journalist Irshad Sheikh from Panji.
The Election Commission is concentrating in giving all facilities to voters with disabilities this time. South Goa Returning Officer Ajit Roy called them special and said that given that they have taken so much effort to come to the polling station, the election officials would make all efforts to see that they are made welcome. Here are the details.
Both Lok Sabha and by-elections are on Tuesday. The Election Commission this time has been very proactive in trying to ensure that voters come out to vote and has been trying to ensure that all facilities are ready for voting.
All these voters, and we have part-wise list, so we know at which polling station how many such voters will come, and we will keep an extra attention for these voters at each and every polling station. So this is in addition to the minimum facilities which we have made available at each and every polling station, because people with this different kinds of disabilities, they are our special voters. We can say that they are our most valued voters. Some of us do not go to polling station for various reasons. When these voters who are facing difficulty on each and every day, when they can make so much effort to reach polling station, then that should be a message for normal voters that they must exercise their right, because in a way it's their duty also. That is why we have categorized all such voters as most valued voter. We, on our part, we are ensuring that when they come, they find that polling station is accessible for them, and we are taking care of all kinds of needs for such special voters. 95% such voters, they can read Braille. Only 2-3 voters are there who cannot read. A separate set of posters for such voters, wherein all the instructions have been given using the sign language. We have also covered this particular aspect during sweep activities which we have taken in last 1 month.
दुसऱ्या फॅमिली मेंबर्साचे पिकनिकेक आनी अशें वयताले आनी वोटिंगा वचनासले तांकां मातशें दिसतालें कितें ते वयताले आमी कितें वयचें न्हू. सो when we say that it is inclusive voting means we want everyone to come on board. Election Commission of India says that no voters should be left behind. That is our motto, and we are trying our best to bring everyone on the polling station.
Election officials held a walkathon in Madgaon and Panji in a bid to ensure that voters came out to vote on election day.
All of us know that democracy is our pride, and this democracy is built on the election. All of us are engaged in this process of election. 23rd April we know is the most important day for us, and through all of you I would like to appeal to all the Goans, everybody here in South Goa, to come and vote in large numbers on 23rd April.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuenkar from Madgaon.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.